All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Tuesday verbs. So ensure. To make sure that something happens or does not happen. So something happens or does not happen. Yeah. We need to ensure it works. Yes, so I need to ensure that the videos are all recorded by the end of February. Okay, right, well, I will ensure that they will be there on time. She wants to ensure it works. They want to make sure it happens. Make sure it happens. No chance of failure. How are you going to ensure it is all fine? How are you going to make sure things happen? Yeah. To ensure they don't fall, they use a lot of rope. Yeah. How cool is that? To ensure victory, they, anything really, they did it fast, for example. Yeah. We ensured it last month. We made sure it happened. We made sure it could happen last month. We ensured that it would work last month. Yeah. We made sure last month, so today should be easy. Yeah. I need to ensure it now with the passwords. Make sure it's safe and secure with passwords. We ensured it with a lot of security. So something does not happen. So something does not happen. With a lot of protection. Yeah. Soon they will ensure the meeting happens as planned. I am going to ensure that they talk about it in the meeting. Very important, yeah. Ensure. I am here recording my lessons to ensure they are all uploaded and online. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, ensure. Can you use ensure in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.